Sam Harris is an atheist who has gone to great lengths to combat both Christianity and Islam. His belief is that these organized religions create more harm than good, and even he, in the video clip I'm about to show you, suggests there is incredible value and virtue in the story of Christ. This is from a Jordan Peterson interview, one of many that he did on the topic.
It's not even true to say that I think you need to get rid of the Jesus story. I don't even think there's something problematic with orienting your life around the Jesus story. I think that can be reclaimed.
There you have it. Sam Harris, the atheist, the #1 intellectual who wants to refute Christianity, at least in my book, he recognizes the value of the story of Christ. He reclaims it. He's reclaiming it, and it can be reclaimed. But not just any Jesus. Jesus, I break into two specific types. There's Jesus of Nazareth. This was the man who was born in a time period of extreme chaos during the Roman Empire in Judea. He saw injustices of the Roman Empire, saw the injustices of the Pharisees, the Jewish leaders in the area that he lived. He supported poor people. He healed them, whether that be through miracles or through magic, which was common at the time. He did so for free. He taught, he ministered to others, and there's an incredible legacy and beauty in him as a real man who suffered on the cross for the purpose of insurrection and what he saw as a necessary step in overthrowing the Roman government. Then there's Jesus, the Christ. The Christ refers to Messiah in Greek. Jesus Christ, to me, is a symbol. It is a way in which humans project our understanding of reality onto a story, and we can use that story to be more virtuous and to live with more integrity. The question for somebody perhaps like Sam Harris, who has discomfort with Christianity as an organized religion, might wonder, how do I use Christ in a regular way? And I look to a 14th century mystic, Meister Eckhart, who said, quote, "There is a place in the soul that neither time nor space nor any created thing can touch." And of course, he's referring to this divine spark that we all have. And my belief is that the Christ story embodies that divine spark. The Christ story is an external manifestation of that which is in you. You have this capacity for unconditional love and forgiveness and compassion. You have this capacity for sacrifice in the name of something greater than yourself. Master Eckhart also said, "What good is it to me if Jesus was born in Bethlehem 2,000 years ago, if he's not born every day in my heart?" This is a reflection of how we must develop a direct relationship in our heart to Jesus Christ as a tool to become the greatest version of ourselves. It's not the only tool. It's not the one tool. I don't profess it to be the one true God and the one true tool, but I do believe it to be a valuable one. What I find so beautiful is that very few people, and not even Sam Harris, believe or argue that Christ is not a valuable tool. If you like this video, I think you're going to like this one.